Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by making caramel so it sets as the base. Heat 3/4 cup sugar until amber, then pour and tilt the loaf pan to coat. Meanwhile, crack 4 eggs into a bowl and whisk gently to avoid foam. This keeps the flan smooth. Measure condensed milk and evaporated milk precisely. Combine with eggs, then strain. Once done, place the filled loaf pan into a larger pan for a water bath. Make sure the oven is at 325 degrees for even cooking. You now focus on combining and layering so texture turns custardy. Whisk the egg milk mix slowly, because vigorous beating traps air bubbles which create holes. Once smooth, strain the custard into the caramel-lined loaf pan to remove any lumps. A fine sieve helps. Tap the pan lightly on the counter to coax out trapped air. Next, set the pan into a preheated water bath, making sure water reaches about 1/2 up the loaf sides. This controls temperature for slow, even cooking. You finish by baking until the center barely jiggles. That takes about 50 to 60 minutes at 325 degrees. Once done, remove the loaf pan from the water bath and let it cool to room temperature. This prevents cracking from sudden temperature change. Then chill for at least 4 hours or overnight so the flan firms and the flavors meld. To unmold, run a thin knife around the edges and invert onto a plate. If caramel clings, warm a towel and set beneath the pan briefly to loosen it.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.